Hello, welcome to Govitana YouTube channel and I am Ganesh Kumar. Today I am going to tell you about liquid fertilizer that can be used in most of the crops we grow and can be easily made at home. First of although organic manure and compost we added into the soil, but the nutrition provided by new varieties and hybrid seeds may be not sufficient. The best example for this, how much organic fertilizer added into the field, but the plant leaves turn yellow with the onset of the growing season, which means nitrogen deficiency. We generally call urea deficiency. So today I will tell you most successful solution for this. First, let's see what are the required ingredients of lantana leaf, wood stone ash, glycidia stems, hummingbird leaf, and glycidia leaves, and one plastic barrel. Finally, cow dung. The first thing to do is cow dung one part or piece of raw material. Pour into this barrel. After next, glycidia leaf one part add into this barrel. And mix it well. After next, hummingbird leaf part of half. Next, lantana leaf part of half. And in order, wood stone ash part of half. And after next, pour the remaining dung part into the barrel. After that, adding glycidia stems into in the barrel. The main reason of adding these cuttings in that the majority of the plant's growing hormones is concentrated into the twins or end of the stems. Finally adding glyceria part in the barrel. You see, these leaves are already withered, so you can imagine how quality these plants have. After adding these old materials, we need to fill the barrel with water. Especially fill more than half the barrel within water. After filling water, we want to well mix these old materials. Finally, we need to tight it well with the pieces of polythene like this. The reason of that some animals falling into the barrel and the solution stings a bit. But after 14 days stench stop gradually. After 24 days odor really disappear. So now the solution a liquid fertilizer. But it is not advisable to apply this liquid fertilizer to plant at once. If we do the plants will burn. So mix 3 water to 1 fertilizer liquid and filter. We can spray this. Or you can put it the root of part at once even without filter. Here are something of fungicides, insecticides and etc. that we will teach you about in our future channel. So see you again guys and have a nice day and please subscribe our channel.